You're another one. Just like me.
Move it, kid.
You find something? A boy? No, you're not a boy. Jump! Hurry up!
I was getting ready to!
That was them. I finally found them.
Who the heck was that? And what's up with his dog?
I've no idea.
Hey, you're Tsume, right? This is a first for me. I've never met a wolf. I mean, other than myself. I heard rumors about you from the crows, though. They said you make friends with humans and run wild with them.
You heard wrong. I don't have friends.
I'm Toboe. Thanks for the help back there. You know what? I've been living with humans my whole life,
Just
too.
get lost, will ya? I'm getting pissed off. And that only happens when I'm around idiots.
But can't I come with you?
No, you can't.